So this is my second camera, not the same one, but I had a Canon Vixia HFR 400. This is just one I just bought recently and it's refurbished. It's a Vixia HFR 62. And to be honest, it's junk. But it does the job. It records and everything. The battery doesn't last very long. But this is the one that does better than the DSLR. It does 1080p 60 frames a second. So if I want to video something that's moving really fast, this one will probably do better than the DSLR. So, but this is the one here. And you can zoom in up here. Zoom in professional. It's got Wi-Fi built into it and a 32 gig memory card built into it. So this is the second camera. So this is the one I use now. This one right here. It's a Canon EOS 70D with a Rode microphone. And the thing weighs about 10,000 pounds. And it does fairly good videoing. The lens is very annoying, yes. But the reason why it's very annoying is so it focuses a lot faster, better content, crisp, clear pictures and videos. I gotta take a picture now. I took a picture and it probably cut my audio out, but that's one good thing about DSLRs. You can take pictures while you're filming and do a bunch of stuff with them. And I can tap the screen there to focus on the lens. Tap on my face to focus there. Tap on the screen to focus on the lens. See, that's a really cool tactic. See, I'll focus on the lens again. I'll tap on there. I'll tap on my face. See, it zooms out the lens. I'll tap on the lens again. See? Ain't that awesome? That's one good thing. And I got an STM kit lens that is quieter. This USM lens is a little noisier, so that's why I got this thing on here. But you should have the Pearl microphone. It would help a little bit more, but I'm not going to spend $200 on a Pearl microphone. So this is the only camera that I use to record farm videos. Everybody's been asking, what do I record farm videos on? It's this camera right here. So I went from this camera here to this camera, which was the HFR 400 really, but looked just like this. These are alright cameras, but if you want to get a good camera, get a DSLR. So this is the project I've been doing. I should have filmed it, but I got the stove for a pretty good price. It's a natural gas stove, LG. It's I don't know what model it is, but it's didn't come with the grates, and that's the bad thing. And this thing was just on there raw on the knob, and it works. Now it's just missing one of these silver things, and they're like $20, so that's a good thing. So I can get one of them off of eBay or something. And this simmer thing here, that's just this thing here, and it just needs a grate over that. But like I said, I'm not going to really use that simmer thing. I would plug it in. It works. I don't like my plugging right next to my water pipe. See that? Okay, it played music. The type of music I don't really hear. Now this one has glow stick to ignite the burners on the bottom and the top. See how nice that is? I heard that these things crack down here, the pans, when they get really hot. You know, gas gets hot. But I wanted to get a well, I don't really like LG, but get a gas stove in case the power goes out, because power does go out. Here's the lighting. See, it lights that. Lights that. Lighting that in there. See, they all work. Use this one, it was the same thing. This one, same thing. And this one's the same thing, of course. And this one's backwards, see? Low, it lights it, but that's actually light and then high and all the way down to low. Don't know why. But you see that works. And then the timer, I find it funny. Listen to the timer music. I don't know if I get copyright for this. Let's see here. I have to figure out how to do this. Now, who the heck is going to be able to hear that? I can't hear that. I don't know if you guys could hear that way in the other room. and this timer goes off and you're burning your food, I mean, gas gets hot and you can't use aluminum foil in there. So gas is getting super hot. Let's say you have a pizza in here and you got it going away and that thing's chiming for how many minutes and you don't even hear it. Then what? Then you burn your house down. I don't know. I don't like it. But anyway, it's just a scratch and dent one. See, it's dented up. Got it for $100. I think it's like a expensive thing. I think it's like over $1,000 or more. It's brand new. Never been used. There's the model right there. You guys can look it up. It's supposed to come with that cast iron grates, you know, that go this way, and then one in the center. And they're $400, I think, a piece for it. So I just got these cheap ones for now, and they sit in there just perfect. So, but yeah, that's what I was working on. That's why I haven't did any farm videos today, and you can see it's bent a little bit. But I wanted to make sure it was ready to install up there because the stove right for the electrical and all the gas ones right there. You can see the natural gas line, see the yellow line, that's where the gas line goes. And then also I got to wash my car. I haven't had a chance to wash this yet. I went to the dentist and it was super muddy. And it wasn't really snowing, but it was kind of cold. Oh boy, got kind of close. I put 8,700 miles on it now, and so yeah, it's really, look at how dirty that thing is. I'm gonna think about washing it and stuff. Wash it by hand underneath the garage. There's a floor drain down there. I don't know if you guys can see it somewhere. Yeah, it's somewhere underneath. There's a floor drain for my sewer, so you can just wash it underneath the house. It's warm, it's nice. There's my garage door and everything. So it's a nice place. Let's see how many. I got 8,672 miles on there. So, and you can see it's a Ford. See that? Here it says Corolla, but then it says Ford. I don't know why. Also, guys, this summer, you can't do it now because it's cold, but I'm gonna sand this floor down, and I'm gonna put some lacquer and stain it. I'm thinking cherry red. You know, similar to like this or something, but I don't know for sure. But it's half stain, half not. Got to get that kind of sanded down and stain this floor. And you know, my dad really likes it. He thinks it looks nice without carpet in here. I don't know what you guys think. Keep the paneling up. That's fine. It's half paneling, half not. And somebody put the carpet on. There's carpet below the gas stove there, so we'll have to do something eventually with that, but right now it's fine. See the pilot light still going in there. That's if the power goes out. I got a backup gas furnace. You cannot use like that gas stove I showed downstairs. That you cannot use that in your house, because you do that and you'll carbon monoxide yourself out big time, and that's not a joke. I mean, carbon monoxide is no joke. One of my family members did that with his propane oven, got very sick. So it's not a good idea to do that stuff. It made him very sick. He doesn't very good. And this is my electric stove here. I just got done cooking, so I kind of got a mess here. But let's put this here. This is my E-Stay by Whirlpool. It's like an 04 model. It works. It just, I don't have the clock on there. See, it works. Like I said, I just don't. I like electric. I love baking and cooking, but gas is a lot better on baking and cooking. And the other one has a conventional bake and just a regular bake and a conventional roast, all that stuff. I kind of need to clean it out. It's a little bit messy, but oven lights on top here. Everything works. The only thing I've ever had to do is like take this thing up and raise up, take this thing out. This thing went bad and the connector melted in there, so I just had to cut the wires and splice them together with a kit. That's all I've done to this thing, and I paid like $50 for this thing like 3 years ago, used, and it's treated me very, very well. And I'm not going to sell it, but keep it in case that gas stove quits. I don't really like that LG. Don't trust them. But as Whirlpool E-State, them things are nice. These are the old ones, but it's still got electronic here. Don't get me wrong. I don't like that because it's kind of, sometimes I want to work right, but you know how that is. But I don't know. What do you guys think? Put in the comments below. Do you think a gas stove is better? I know it's dangerous because it could blow up. Or do you think a electric stove is better? What's your opinions below? Here's my Super Nintendo Mini Classic. I've been playing that a lot. That's what I used to play when I was a kid. Then I got a PS3. I don't use that much. That has GTA Vice City, San Andreas, Grand Theft Auto 5, Liberty Cities, come with COD, Call of Duty, and all that stuff. But I don't play that very much. I just play GTA a lot. Kids, don't do GTA in real life. I've seen somebody do GTA in real life, and I think that ended up very badly for that person. My shadow's in the way. My load of clothes in the middle of the road. Hello. Who's going to see the vet this coming week? Yeah, you're going to come and see the vet, and you're not going to like me for a while. You see all this hair knots, guys, on here? She's got to go see the vet to get shaved, and she can't be put to sleep because she's old. So the vet is going to have fun holding her down while I'm there. Are you going to enjoy that, you think? She's going to really, really hate me so much. But that's very painful. That could really hurt her skin. And it's getting out of control, and I cannot get it under control. I tried combing it and everything, and it's painful. So I got a kennel here. Put her down there. It's not too far away, and take her down there, and she'll hate me for about a week, and then she'll feel better, and she'll be happy and glad that it's been done, because that stuff is painful, you know. I understand that. It's painful. I mean, it could tear her skin, you know. Right? You're gonna hate me, aren't you? Hey, Matt Maroy, if you're watching this, do you have problems with your cat having, you know, bad hairballs like that, or not hairballs, but knots? It's just knots there. See, it's so sore. You can tell it bothers her. And this has been going on for a couple weeks or more. It just, I tried everything, every grooming comb to get knots out, and none of that stuff works. So I'm going to have the vet shave her. I know it's kind of cold for the winter, but it's nice and warm. She don't go outside. She's an indoor cat. So, and my grandma just had that done to her cat, and I don't know if I have a video of it, but they shaved everything but, you know, her head, everything here, and then the tail is just like a little Lion King, this little puff ball. So I'm going to see if they can do that to this cat, and I'll film her and see what people think of that. She's not going to like me, though. What am I supposed to do? Let her be in pain, you know? I don't want her in pain. You can tell she's not feeling good. She's trying to look good for the camera, but it's bothering me. I tried shaving on top here. I got some of it here, but just can't do it myself, so I got to have some help with the vets and make sure to get her checked up. She looks good, though, for her age. 18 years old. The vets, every time I took her in there, she said, boy, she sure looks healthy. I said, yeah. She's sure scared of people. Oh, gotta stretch. Oh, cat. See, she gets around good. She's in good shape. She can still fly across the thing. She's still in good shape. Yeah. Alright, so I'm going to end this vlog off today. Sorry there's no cold starts, but tomorrow we'll be able to get a couple in, hopefully. I think we will. It's Sunday tomorrow, that's right. Oh yeah, I will be able to. Tomorrow's Sunday. I don't work Sunday. Well, maybe I might. I don't know. I usually work, so that's why I don't have time to film. Alright, Kitty. Say bye to everyone. Oh, that's why everybody keeps getting cat hair on their things and chewing me out. It's because of you. Yeah, well, you're a cat. You're living your rent free, right?